1 minute, 1 anime. Today features Jujutsu Kaisen. Kung mahilig ka sa dark fantasy na may intense fight scene at character na hindi mo makakalimutan, this is a must watch. The story follows with Yuji Itadori, isang normal na student na napakain ng cursed object. Finger ni Sukuna. Yes, that's Sukuna. From there, napasok siya sa isang world ng Jujutsu Sorcerer where their fight core spirit borns from negative human emotion. Why this anime hits different? Insane fight choreography. Every battle feels cinematic. Gojo Satoru supremacy. You already know. And emotional damage. Villain na hindi lang basta-basta evil, may depth. Maganda yung pacing, solid yung animation. Mappa did not disappoint and the power system is actually interesting and strategic. Overall rating is 9 out of 10. Hindi lang siya hype. May story, may heart, at may sakit sa dibdib. See you tomorrow for another 1 minute, 1 anime. Bye!